AI faceless videos have gained significant popularity on YouTube, allowing creators to engage their audience without revealing their identity. By leveraging YouTube automation tools, you can streamline the process and potentially earn a substantial income. YouTube automation is a powerful technique that involves using software tools and systems to automate various tasks associated with managing a YouTube channel. With AI faceless videos, automation becomes a valuable tool in your content creation journey. The benefits of creating AI faceless videos are twofold. Firstly, it provides a sense of privacy for those who prefer not to show their face on camera. This opens up opportunities to explore different niches and genres, expanding your creative possibilities. Now, let's talk about how you can monetize your AI faceless videos and make $100 per day. Here are a few strategies to consider. Affiliate marketing is a popular method to earn money with AI faceless videos. By partnering with affiliate programs relevant to your content, you can promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate links. Sponsored content is another avenue to explore. As your channel grows, brands may be interested in collaborating with you. You can negotiate sponsored video deals where you promote their products or services within your AI faceless videos, generating income from these partnerships. Of course, ad revenue plays a significant role in monetizing your YouTube channel. With YouTube automation, you can optimize your videos for ads and maximize your earnings. The more views and engagement your AI faceless videos generate, the higher your ad revenue potential. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi can provide additional income streams. You can offer exclusive perks, behind-the-scenes content, or early access to your AI faceless videos as incentives for your supporters. Your loyal fans can contribute financially to support your content creation efforts. While making $100 per day with AI faceless videos is an exciting goal, it's essential to focus on creating valuable, engaging, and high-quality content. Remember, consistency and building a connection with your audience are key to long-term success. YouTube automation tools can help streamline your video creation process, allowing you to focus more on content strategy, promotion, and audience engagement. Embrace these tools to optimize your workflow and increase your chances of reaching the $100 per day milestone. That's all for today's video on making $100 per day with AI faceless videos using YouTube automation. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your audience and monetizing your YouTube channel. And as always, happy creating!